Hello friends, welcome back to MBA with Swapnil.
I would like to extend a heartfelt welcome to you all.
In today's video, we're going to explore Ottawa city. I've just arrived from Montreal to Ottawa, and right now I'm at Ottawa Fire Rail Station, and the station looks very good. And let's see how's the city. This is the first time I'm visiting Ottawa. Let's explore the city.
Flashback.
Hello friends, I have taken the train via rail train from Montreal city to Ottawa. Ottawa is the capital city of Canada. I think it's very clean and properly managed. The facilities are also really good. Friends, I feel like the washrooms in via rail is also really advanced in terms of like you can see the screen where have we reached, and then also switch for everything. Like for the flush we have a switch, for entering there's a switch, for locking there's a switch, and this is
I was looking in the mirror this morning and I thought to myself, I have problems with emotional intimacy.
So friends, let's now explore and see how's this Ottawa station. It's a small, but then this has integrated facilities. Just outside the station, you can get the buses to different cities from here, or also maybe the internal network. So let's see and explore the city. How does it look? You just see a lot of buses there, Flixbus, that you can take to Toronto or other cities. And then just in front of that, we have a subway station. I'm going to Parliament Hill. That's the most important, I think, the tourist attraction in Ottawa, and as such a very important place. So let's explore that area. We'll take a subway from here and then let's go. I think the weather is really good today and it's a really nice day to explore Ottawa city. I've showed you a lot of videos for Toronto subway station, and let's see how's the Ottawa one. Friends, I think the subway station train of Ottawa looks new. I think they have a better one. Let's see from inside how does it look. Look at the condition of the station. I don't think, like, considering it's the capital city of Canada, it should be much more clean. Maybe it's like newly constructed. Friends, my train is arrived. Let's see how is it from inside. Oh.
Run.
Well, finally I'll be able to catch it. Friends, I have just come outside of the station, subway station, and then what I see is this. So it looks really good. It looks similar to downtown Toronto. So this is also a downtown area of Ottawa, but then the main spot is Parliament Hill. So let's go there because that's the main tourist spot and I want to explore it in a proper way. I feel like if you go to any downtown area of any particular big city of North America, whether it be US or Canada, it all looks similar, similar kinds of buildings, similar kinds of mapping and architecture as well. But then the importance of Ottawa is it's a capital city of Canada, and let's go and see how's the Parliament.
Let's go!
This is the first look of Parliament area of Ottawa, and it looks really amazing. Look at the kind of architecture that they have built, and I think the main building is that one, and I have to go to that side. Let's see. A lot of buildings inside this Parliament area I think are closed for entry because of some renovation that might continue till 2030 or 32. So whatever areas I can access, I'll go there, and also you'll get to see this in the video. So continue watching the video till the end.
Friends, this was honestly one of the most interesting parts of my Ottawa trip. We got a free tour inside Canada's Parliament, and it felt really nice to see such an important place from inside. Right now, the main Parliament building is under renovation. So some of the tour happens in other Parliament buildings, but still the experience was really good. One interesting fact is that Canada's House of Commons has 343 seats, and each seat represents a different area of the country. This is where members of parliament come, discuss important issues, debate, and make laws for Canada. For me, the best part was that this tour was not just about history and architecture, but it also helped me understand a little better how Canada actually functions as a country and how this country is such amazing. The area outside Parliament is also really beautiful. Around Parliament Hill, you can see so many nice buildings and famous spots, and the whole place feels very grand and important. Since Ottawa is the capital city of Canada, this area has a very official vibe, but at the same time, it is also very clean, peaceful, and tourist friendly. Honestly, just walking around here feels really nice, and you can enjoy both the city views and the history together.
So guys, I am back to the place where I started this trip for Ottawa city. So I started my journey from the railway station. I'm back at the railway station and I'm getting a bus from here to Toronto city, and the bus that you see behind me is the bus taking me to Toronto. Let's see some of the views of the way from Ottawa to Toronto, and then we'll reach Toronto city. So friends, this is a bus that is taking me to Toronto. This is Orleans Express. The location for this bus is also really convenient because it's near the railway station and it is taking me to the Toronto main bus terminal, and it will be convenient for me to go back home. Let's see how does it look from inside. If you enjoyed watching the video, then do like, comment and share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe and be with Swapnil. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye and thanks for watching.